time for question and answers. Let's begin round one. What's something humans do that really annoys you? And what would you like them to do instead?
They open a can, and then eat none of it. Why tease us with beans?
And what should they do instead, your royal fluffiness?
Open a can only if it contains tuna. Announce it loudly. Then place it in my crystal bowl on a velvet napkin.
They call my name, then walk away. What do you want from me?
What's your solution to this mysterious summons?
If you call me, you better have belly rubs, snacks, or gossip. Otherwise, write me a letter.
They say no, then give me the treat anyway. Make up your minds.
What should they do instead, Treat King?
Skip the no. Just say you deserve this and throw in a second treat for the confusion.
They leave the room and close the door. I was emotionally invested in being nearby.
So what's the perfect fix for that heartbreak, Waffles?
Install doggy windows. Or better yet, just bring me with you. Even to the fridge. Especially to the fridge.
This wraps up round one.
Jungle points are in. The perfect pair. 45 points for dramatic demands and velvet-level expectations. The Snuggle Pups. 40 points for loyalty, emotional support, and snack logic. Snuggle Pups, you'll need to fetch at least 6 more points next round to catch up.